1996 Volkswagen Passat. Test for ignition spark per ref RPM. My work normally, I don't know, maybe it's different on single coil, between the single coil and individual ignition coil. So what I do, I connect between the ignition spark and ignition wire. I connect the tester, which have a light bubble, which blink it every time when I have a spark. So right now it was idle. I'm not sure if it show you the blinking. So let's make it a little bit more RPM.